Hi guys, George here. I want to bring to you a little, well, it's not an unboxing video because I already got the package, right? So, what is the package that I got? I got Advanced Squad Leader, oops, right there. Starter Kit Bonus Pack 2 by MMP. And basically, what you have here with the cover is on the other side you have a nice thick and glossy to hit chart. There you go, right? So this is your to hit chart, your to kill chart for your armored fighting vehicles. You also get a beautiful map, Map J. Okay, check this out. Hold on, yep, there you go. Map J. You get a whole lot of wonderful scenarios. Let's see if I have in the back here a list of all the scenarios. You have S82 4 hours or more, S83 off to Oslo, insufficient resolve, Tiger's Roar, going commando, that's a bit fishy, straight and fast, the down payment, havoc at the hospital. So 4 more hours, S82 takes place in Tianjin, China, 16th of March 1998, Imperial Chinese versus Japanese, so PTO, there you go. All right, off to Oslo, so Northern Europe, there you go. Sorry if it's a bit fuzzy, but I highly recommend that you buy the pack. Most of the scenarios are designed by Ken Dunn, Chasseur Jean, and David Cheever. If I mispronounced any of those names, forgive me. Insufficient resolve, so we're off to Russia 1941. And the backside of that is Tiger's Roar, Russia 1943. Here we got Going Commando. Going Commando, I think that sounds a bit strange, but anyhow, some of the credits here first belong to Ken Dunn for designing this beautiful package. Excellent design system, well play tested. Mock bar designed by Charlie Keebler. Scenario design, Chasseur Jean, Kevin Boyles, David Cheever, Ken Dunn, and Brian Hughes. Cover art, Nicholas Scooby. Layout, Chasseur Jean. Proofers, Klaas Maelstrom, Chasseur Jean, J.R. Tracy, and Perry Koch. Playtesters, Chasseur Jean, Scott Blayton, Kevin Boyles, David Cheever, Jacob Cheever, Greg Dietrich, Ken Dunn, Dennis Freeberg, who I play with every Friday night. I used to play also Thursdays and Fridays with Dennis, and he's a remarkable opponent. He has diced me and sliced me many times. Excellent at defense, quite good at offense as well. And we tackled starter kit, and now we're playing well into ASL, but we still have a lot of ruling. George Hoitis, actually, it's supposed to be George Hiotis, but I'll take it. I'll take the credit. Thank you so much, Ken, and the rest of the gang for getting my name published here. I appreciate it a lot. I've come a long way in ASL. I'd like to thank Alain Chabot for introducing me to ASL. I'd also like to thank David Garvin for inviting me to the first ASL tournament. He ran a well-run tournament. I also want to thank Mark Dennehy for playing with me every Monday, 3 hours a night there, and going through the rule book in depth and extrapolating a lot of detail. I wouldn't be a player at this caliber without Mark, Dennis, and Alain, and also Ken Rutkowski, who I play with every Wednesday. A gentleman's gentleman, really, really great guys. So Going Commando and Straight and Fast. Hi, Megan. all they all seem to be well designed scenarios, very interesting. The OB is remarkable. You have you have support weapons, guns, and AFVs. The down payment and Havoc at the hospital, right? And blank page. You get a little summary of what is included. There you go. And you get another beautiful map with hedges. And I've played this map on Vassal, the SQL. Haven't showed it to anybody, and I guess because it was confidential, I suppose. And you get a sort of the back cover. The back cover, you have a nice, I wouldn't say it's thick, but it's sturdy, right? And glossy. Glossy is important because glossy paper withstands more punishment than matte paper. And you have the hand-to-hand close combat table here and your usual infantry fire table chart. All in all, I'm very impressed with the artwork. I'm very impressed with the selection of scenarios, the variety included in here. I can't wait to get started on playing these with all the detail, right? I look forward to eventually getting some of my scenarios published, either through MPP or maybe I'll go at it alone. We'll see. But this is great. I highly recommend it. And you can be rest assured that all these scenarios are going to go into Home Depot page size covers. And eventually, what I do is I pick up my son's binders from school, the ones that are left over and have survived the school year. And as you can see here, I have a better binder than this one, but this is from Mike, right? And all the scenarios are, right, if you can see, right there. So I got starter kit. Hold on, let me hold it up high. Starter kit and Beyond Valor. Actually, this is expansion kit 1 and Beyond Valor. Here's Luga. Planning to do an AR on that one. And Yanks. Yanks right there. Right. Great to have them protected as opposed to getting them in and out of boxes. When I want to make a quick reference to the scenario card, I simply flip into my binder, reread the victory conditions, because quite often in the heat of battle, we're not talking about the rule book, heat of battle. Actually, we're talking about in the heat of battle that can arise during the game. You need to remind yourself, what are the victory conditions, and am I on track? Am I close to obtaining the victory conditions, or am I being sidetracked with another factor or what have you? So there you have it, folks. I was really happy with the speed of the delivery. I'm very happy with the quality of the work. I know that we put a lot of work into it in playtesting the scenarios, and you'll be happy if you do decide to purchase this quality product and put it on Vassal or put it on your table and play it with your favorite opponent. Okay, so that's all for now, and I hope to see you again with perhaps an AR. Take care.